swell of the water. So I'm just walking back up before the tides come back out. I guess it's around after 7, after 8. Oof. They just disappear, but whoever they are, hopefully they have a good day. I think they walk all the way up from there. I think it's a tree. When the storm, hurricane, cut it off. This is how far the tide comes in. It comes all the way up here. See? So sometimes you have to use the tree stump as a marker. All right, let us walk back. Let us walk back. See, it's all cloudy. Very cloudy. See, tide's coming up. So let us start walking. Let us start walking back. Let us start walking back. See, even though I have a beach shoe on, see? Tide coming in, coming in. So see, we're walking back. The tide is coming in. This is how far it comes, all the way up here. So see, you have to time it correctly. You don't want to be stuck and then the tide coming right up on you. So see, this is how I have to stand all the way up further, close to the deck, so the tide doesn't come in on me. See? Let us give thanks. Give thanks, oh Lord. Attend unto my prayer from the end of the earth. Life I unto thee. When my heart is overwhelmed, oh, lead me to the rock that is higher than I. I think I put my stick somewhere in the, as a marker. Hopefully I find it. If the tide hasn't washed it away. Hopefully it hasn't washed it away. This is everything that the ocean regurgitate and spit back out. Same thing like the words a pastor said, you could chew up the meat, spit out the bones. What is good we focus on what is good. What is not good, we spit it out. And we unlearn what is not good. Gonna make a change for once in my life. We're gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. See? This is how far that I'm coming from. I'm walking back because the tides is coming in, coming in, coming in. The tide is coming in. Hopefully I haven't. The tide is coming in. So, see? Look. The tide is coming in. No, it's not swimming. It's not a swimming morning today. It's not a swimming morning today. Not even the river. So you see, there's a time and season for everything under the sun. Time and season for everything under the sun. How far did I walk and I put that stick, my mountain stick? Don't tell me the tide took it away. Look. Look at the birds. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's Batman. Oh, look at the birds right there. Oh my, look at them, look at them. Can you see, can you see, can you see? Trying to follow them for the glare. Trying to follow them. Look at them, look at it, look at it. Look at them. Trying to follow them, look at them. Look at the birds. See how low they're traveling? See, they're traveling as in a pack. What do you call a bird that travels in a pack? Because I know there's a school of fish, there's a pack of lion. I don't know what you call the birds that travel in a pack. See? Look. All the way. See? They're still traveling as a pack. So if anyone knows what you call a bird to travel in a pack, I know I could probably Google it. But help out a sister here. See the ocean waking up. Wake me up before you go. Hanging on the line. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. I wanna dance. Yeah, I'm wondering if I know we don't have sharks or anything here, but whale. I have to probably ask if anyone ever spotted the whales. Because that would be so awesome to spot. Maybe I ask one of the neighbors who go out in his little boat and do fishing. It's one more year, my friend. It's your birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Look at the birds on. Fly like an eagle to the sea. He's probably fishing for food. When you see they dip in the slow, they have a bird's eye. Look at this one coming towards. Hunting for food. Look, 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 look. See? He's coming closer, coming closer. Maybe looking for food. Look at this one. Oh, look at that one. 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 See? Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And they go and pack and they do their thing. See? Nice. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. See? See? You always see. They go out in pack and they do their thing. Go out in packs and do their thing. Awesome. And then my little birdie friend. Look at my little birdie friend. Look at my friend. You see? They're in 2x2 as well. Oh, awesome. See? Mother Nature. This is one. And there's little friend two. Two of them. Even the sun gulls. 2x2. Oh, look at the beautiful sky back there.